as we explained on the identification of solutions, we read the problems and eventually we will end up creating solutions that will be projects, controls, policies, and exceptions. Now, the mapping in between these two things can be done directly on the filters, but if we go a little bit deeper into what the mapping looks like, we can see there's a few other options. If you edit the row in here, we see that on the compliance item details, you are presented with all the details of the compliance requirement. General, that's a strategy. We spoke about that in identification. The owner will be the team that has a relationship with this compliance requirement. You can have compliance findings. Compliance findings are used to document when the auditor comes and they find audits and they find findings, and they give you a report and they say, well, you have to do this by then and that. That will be what we call findings. On the treatment side, we have the 4 typical options. And then on the fourth tab, you have the drivers, what we call compliance drivers. And here you can link risks from the risk modules. This is typically used for ISO. And you can also link liabilities. Okay, so these are the basic relationships. In this case, we decided we will have these two as solutions. We will be compliant, the GRC team, and that will basically be the end of it. Okay, so again, very simple, the association between solutions and compliance requirements. Not very difficult, but it's very important you understand that you can do it directly from the filters or you can edit the form in itself.